Okay, hello traders, this is the Wolf with another tutorial video on market pressure, and in this video we're going to talk a bit more about market pressure and what I like to call as the jerk to show you pressure. So first, let me do the risk warning. Your invested capital may be at risk. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So we're currently on the Sunday USD CHF OTC market, and today's topic I want to talk to you mainly about the jerk, or what I call it as the jerk. So what do I mean by the jerk? It's actually the opposite of a rejection. So a rejection is when price pulls away from a certain price. The jerk is when the candle pulls towards a certain price or a certain key level. So in this live candle, you can see how the market actually pulled away, pulled towards. So you see the moment it pulled away, it pulls back up, and this is what I want to show you, called the jerk. So you can see we have a major key level here. So this is where the sellers are, and price is pushing away from this level, but the buyers are strong and is pushing price towards the level. So when you have a strong level, okay, you see the price touches here, it goes back. What I want to show you is a live candle analysis of how to actually spot the jerk. And so you saw when the thing pulled away, it immediately pushed towards past the level. So this is called the jerk, and it shows very strong pressure. And this is the kind of candle that has a high probability of breaking a key level. So I remember a trader asking me, how do you know if SNR level is going to break? So, or a major key level is going to break. So in order for you to know, let me plot this level. Okay, in order for you to know that a level is going to break, you will start to see that jerk that I mentioned of. So currently market is consolidating around this area, and buyers are trying to potentially reverse the market. So let's see what happens. Currently the direction is down. So let's plot this key level here on this body reversal. So this is where it was able to reverse this strong pressured buyer's candle to bring the price back down. So once you have plotted your key levels, all you need to do is wait to see a reaction on those levels, or how it breaks the level and how it comes back to a particular level. So that basically will show you the market direction, and when you will know when a new trend is being established. So we have a good key level here. So this is a potential level where the buyers may reverse the market into an upward direction. So we just got to wait for the buyers to make their move. So this is the main key level that the buyers need to break, and you can see the buyers are coming in. So let's see if they are able to jerk their way up into the market. So you see the price is pulling away. This is what most people know as a rejection. The jerk is when the price pulls forward towards and upwards. So this is what you need to understand about the jerk and rejection. So market is rejecting from that key level below, which is a very strong round number. So you can see the major direction is down. Sellers are trying to bring the price lower. In this candle, shows you the buyer's attempt to reverse the market, and the pressure was able to go past the round number, the major round number, and this key level. So you just need to wait for a good move. So let's see if buyers have what it takes to bring the price up. So this is the first attempt. They're being contained by this BB level. So buyers are trying again to break this level. So this, you have a perfect wick respect on this level. So market is trying to go down, and then this candle shows failure of the sellers to bring the price lower from this level. So we're going to have a possible consolidation in this area before the buyers or the sellers, whoever, we will see the outcome of this consolidation to see who wins the fight. So you can see this wick level. So this is the level that the buyers need to clear to have a chance to reverse the market. So you can see we have another attempt, good rejection. So buyers, this is a good inverted hammer showing buyers strength with no lower wick, or it also looks like a double bottom. So let's see if the buyers can clear this level or the sellers will win the fight. So let's see. So you can see the wick respect, the rejection, and the jerk. So you see the moment it touches the price, it pulls away. It's a very good rejection. So let's see, we have 5 seconds. So we just got to wait. The buyers are strong at the moment. So based on current price action respect, we can do a call in this area, because you're having strong buyers entry from this area. But currently market is respecting the BB1 level. So the sellers looks like they're going to win this fight. So let's see current price action respect of this level. So you can see, if you understand current price action respect, you will actually be able to identify the levels which currently market is respecting and identify the pressure better and the direction of the market. So you can see the buyers are trying to push the price up. So we have a very strong fight area. We just need this level and this level to clear. So currently this is the level, this BB1 level, and this SNR level is creating the problem for the buyers. So you can see the jerk, it went down, then it pushed back up. So this is what I mean by the jerk. So when you have time, you can actually go through the live candle and replay this video to actually see the jerk better and properly. So the moment it rejects, it pushes back up. So that shows pressure, and that is what we call as the jerk. So you can see the jerk is creating a very huge pressured bullish candle at the moment. So based on this candle, based on the way it jerked its way up, it shows very strong pressure, which we can easily do a call trade, but I'm just worried about this 20 EMA. and the BB2, BB1 and diverging. The BB1 and 20 EMA is diverging. You can see the jerk on this candle showed strong pressure, which is pushing the price up, and you can see the strong selling pressure coming in after a consolidation fight zone between a strong support and a strong resistance. So this is what I want you to understand in this video. And another thing that you can actually expect good pressure or good pressure wave is after a consolidation period, a strong fight zone, and then suddenly you see the market starts to make its way up. So you have a fight zone. So you see from here, you see buyers, it was a downtrend here, very strong down, and then you have a consolidation, a minor trend, buyers trying to bring the price up, and then down, and then the same level was respected, come down, and then fight, and then breakout. So the jerk actually also shows you a high probability breakout. So this is probably just a pullback. So you can see now you have a strong seller's jerk, which you can use. So best entry point. Sellers are pushing the price back down. Now currently market is ranging. So the price will go lower. We had a good jerk on this candle, showing us strong sellers movement downwards. Market is in range. Price will come back down at least to this level. So this is the level that is actually pulling the price towards it. So let's see what happened on this candle. So you saw another strong jerk pulling the price towards here. Another strong jerk. So based on the jerk, current market direction is actually down. So we're coming back to the key level. So this key level now should act as a support to push the price back up. So this candle will show us the direction. Okay, very strong rejection. Market is coming back down. So you can see market is playing around inside this area. BB2 contain the buyers. But if you're thinking that the market direction is down, you have to be careful, because currently after this consolidation, you have buyers pressure. So you saw the jerk. This is a sure shot. So you saw the jerk. This is what I wanted you to see, and this is what I mean by the jerk. And it's not easy to explain the jerk, because you need to see live candle movement to understand it, or live candle analysis. So this candle, last few seconds was a very good jerk. This candle is a sure shot call. I don't even need to worry about the support level or anything. So based on market direction, I am pretty much sure that this candle is going up. So let's see what happens. So we have 15 seconds. Let's see if I'm right. And you can see what's happening in the last 10 seconds. And the price is going up. So this is what I wanted you guys to actually see in this video. And this candle was a perfect example of the jerk. Very strong jerk in the last few seconds to break the seller's pressure. So market is now making its way up. I'm pretty much sure that it will continue upwards. So I'm just going to call, and I'm pretty sure that the 20 EMA will break based on the jerk. And you saw that the moment the price goes down, it comes back up. So this is the kind of move you actually need to do pressure trades, which shows you confirmation that you are in the right direction and the pressure will bring the price higher. So this is what I wanted to explain to you guys. I hope you understand. And it's like I told you, it's not easy to explain the jerk based on live candle movement. So I hope I'm able to explain it to you guys in a way that you guys can understand. And I'll try to talk more about other things about market pressure in the next tutorial video. So with that, this is the Wolf signing out. Take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.